How we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this impeccable 2017 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. Let me tell you, folks, this car is in immaculate condition. It comes in the carbon black metallic paint finish, the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, front parking sensors, the massive M Sport front bumper. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the privacy glass in the rear accompanied by the black trim, shark fin antenna on top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the LED rear reversing lights, the massive twin exhausts, the automatic trunk, and the rear parking sensors. Now, folks, let's take a look at the interior. Now, folks, that we're inside, you notice the fully digital cockpit that is fitted with the sports mode, comfort mode, and an Eco Pro mode. Also on board is the multifunctional BMW M Sport paddle shift steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, the iDrive system, full automatic transmission, e-brake, pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system. The interior comes in a black sporty Dakota leather. With a silver platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows. Automatic lights. Automatic rain sensor, wipers. Bluetooth connection. Heated seats. Keyless push button start, ignition, and many other extras. Now, that was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions, if you want to take this stunning car for a test drive, please feel free to visit us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.